Before we started music, we had Ace and Sour. I saw the truth, would turn it down, then I heard the sirens. I pull over, man, but I keep it silent.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's been a minute since I dropped something. Since I've vlogged. Ooh, I mean, I just moved into my new place. A lot of things happened over the time. Last time I stated that we was on fire. Lost our last apartment, so thankfully we're now in a house. Got my garage.
I be too high, I think it's the front toe. I told you I stopped, at least I tried to. I'm not gonna lie, I'm in a bad mood. And I watched the nigga snake me, but I seen it coming. And my brother told me get it if I really want it. And my main bitch left me when I felt like nothing. Told these niggas better watch out when the summer coming.
The old control arm, now we put in the new one. It was a bitch to take out, so shit. This is my first time, and what the fuck? I went through hell and back. But here we are. The tools I used was a 14 to take out the sway bar link, a 19 and a 22 and a 12. I believe this was the 19. This was the 22. Trying to remember. 22. There's a 12 here and another 19. But yeah, there goes the old sway bar. Gonna replace those two. And let's see how far we go.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm in a bad mood.
And you gotta watch that water, cause there's sharks in it. Bathing apes and CDG, there's broken hearts in it. I was trying to play my part, they wanted pieces in it. You should see how niggas act when the pieces hit. Yeah.
For the coilover, just because the other one, I guess, wasn't gonna reach because the control arm is a little wider. So I think that was my alternative. More updates. I sold the wheels to the car. I hated the rotor grids. I'm not a big fan of them. I would rather get TE37s. But then again, the car came like that. I wanted to get rid of the wheels as fast as I could. Thankfully, I got in the garage. I can keep the car on jack stands for the meantime, which I did. The suspension was fucked with the car. There was no bushings on the coilovers at the bottom end where you connect the control arm. For the front and the rear, they were the coilover was moving back and forth. I was trying to figure it out too when I was driving the car. Since I bought it, I was trying to figure it out why was it driving funny, because I knew this car wasn't supposed to drive like this. I drove them before and it wasn't supposed to drive like that the way it did. It was just too loose. I felt like I was going to lose control. Then turns out when I was doing the back control, the lower control arms of the rear, I found that out. Then my boy was doing my oil pan seal. He found out why the coilover was moving front and back because it didn't have a bushing. We did a temporary fix to get the car back home. We just bought some bushing that we found in, I believe it was O'Reilly. So we sold the wheels, so there's no wheels now. R1 Concepts, rotors on the car. It's raining, Florida. We're working on the spark plugs, getting them replaced with some NGKs. Oil wasn't changed in quite a while. It was nasty. We're back at it again, working on the spark plugs, getting that removed real quick. I should have shown the process, but I think there's fair enough of a good amount on YouTube on how to get that done. I removed the throttle body and the spacer for the throttle body. We're all done. Finished the install. Safely put everything back into place, I hope. Some coilovers, wheels, bumpers, and wrap. And then I will work on everything else, because she's looking like shit, and it's my biggest pet peeve to have the car looking like the same way the last owner had it. The new whip that we just picked up. She's dirty now, but Sonic Gray. This is gonna be the new build. Oh, I left the keys, didn't I? I did. But yeah, we got some big plans for this one. Then again, thanks guys for tuning in. Till next time, hopefully better updates next time. But yeah, follow and subscribe for more.